Visit us on onestepenglish.com.
Business English. Writing a letter.
Let's learn English.
Today, we will learn some things about writing a letter. To open the letter, write "Dear," followed by a name. Here are some examples that you can follow. Dear Mr. Smith.
Dear Dr. Myers.
When writing a letter, you need a reason for writing as a part of your introduction. You may use these examples.
I am writing to tell you about a new product that may be beneficial to your company.
I am writing to confirm your attendance at the International Training Conference.
Here are some examples when writing good or bad news in a letter.
We are pleased to announce that our company has agreed to sponsor your event.
After careful consideration, we have decided to work with a different provider for our materials.
For the conclusion part, you may tell the next action that you want them to take. Here are some examples. I'd appreciate your immediate attention to this matter.
Please advise as necessary. I look forward to hearing from you.
To finish your letter, you need to write a closing. Here are some examples.
Respectfully yours, Jason Mendoza.
Warm regards, Monica Williams.
Let's practice your English.
Ready your pen and paper, then try to answer the exercise.
Choose the correct answer.
Salutation.
Mr. Smith.
Letter A. Dear Mr. Smith.
Letter B. Dear Mr. Smith.
Letter C. Goodbye, Mr. Smith.
The correct answer is letter A. Dear Mr. Smith.
Dr. Myers.
Letter A. Hello, Dr. Myers.
Letter B. Dear Dr. Myers.
Letter C. Hey, Dr. Myers.
The correct answer is letter B. Dear Dr. Myers. Reason for writing.
I am writing a new product that may be beneficial to your company.
Letter A. To request.
Letter B. To confirm.
Letter C. To tell you about. The correct answer is letter C. To tell you about. I am writing to tell you about a new product that may be beneficial to your company. I am writing your attendance at the International Training Conference.
Letter A. To confirm.
Letter B. To tell you about.
Letter C. To inquire about.
The correct answer is letter A. To confirm. I am writing to confirm your attendance at the International Training Conference.
Given good or bad news. We are that our company has agreed to sponsor your event.
Letter A. Will be pleased to get.
Letter B. Pleased to announce.
Letter C. Delighted to know.
The correct answer is letter B. Pleased to announce. We are pleased to announce that our company has agreed to sponsor your event.
Bob said you missed the deadline, but you did, right?
Letter A. Rule of thumb.
Letter B. Pull the plug.
Letter C. Set the record straight. The correct answer is letter C. Set the record straight. Bob said you missed the deadline, but you did set the record straight, right?
Next action.
Your immediate attention to this matter.
Letter A. I'd appreciate.
Letter B. I need.
Letter C. Please advise.
The correct answer is letter A. I'd appreciate. I'd appreciate your immediate attention to this matter.
Please advise as necessary. To hearing from you.
Letter A. I can't wait.
Letter B. I look forward.
Letter C. I'll be waiting.
The correct answer is letter B. I look forward. Please advise as necessary. I look forward to hearing from you. Closing.
Jason Mendoza.
Letter A. Congrats.
Letter B. Best wishes.
Letter C. Respectfully yours. The correct answer is letter C. Respectfully yours. Respectfully yours, Jason Mendoza. Monica Williams.
Letter A. Warm regards.
Letter B. Good night.
Letter C. Thanks.
The correct answer is letter A. Warm regards. Warm regards, Monica Williams.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.